Sir, here there is a disturbance today, so can't unmute and on video, sir. Sorry. Okay. Sai Charan, what disturbance you are getting, Sai Charan? So you can't unmute only, right?
Sir, I thank Sir Baja sir because of the Sahara.
Baja. Ba Baja. Baja, band baja barat. Huh?
Yes, sir, because of the Sahara, sir.
Baja pompo pom. But here there is no baja no like that. That kind of baja will not be in Hyderabad, right? It will
Yes, sir.
be.
It's in the
It
sir
is.
Jharkhand side, sir.
Yeah, it main is a festival of Kolkata. That's why band baja barat they will not come in this today and all.
Yes.
Maybe puja can be happen. Puja and all,
Sir,
right?
today IPL semifinals, sir. So maybe seeing that.
Sriyani, there also they are celebrating this Durga Puja celebration is going on that side also. Sriyanvi?
There's no puja outside, sir.
Far, far away, no puja at all, right?
Only in temples, I think.
Acha. Okay, now last class what we are doing? Sriyanvi, last class which chapter we are doing?
Sir, maths, sir.
Chapter I'm asking, you are asking math, telling maths.
Uh,
So you are doing, sir, I think linear equation in
Always linear equation.
number system, sir. Sir, number system, sir. 40 questions, sir.
Number system only. Sriyanvi, you didn't remember, right? Simple. You can see the screen.
Yes, sir.
can't see the screen, sir.
Can't see. Once again, I'm sharing the screen once again. Now can you see?
Now I can see.
Vivek on the camera. Vivek, Satvik, Priyanshu.
Sir, 1 minute announce.
And this what is name? Sai Charan. No problem. You just be listening to us. Okay. So we are moving to the 9th CBSE.
Sir, can we do sir, something interesting, sir? We are getting bored, sir, by number system.
Hey, number system we're not going to do now. Now we just do something else. Okay. I think we are doing surface area and volumes. No. This number system. We are doing number system. So we have finished that chapter in the last class. We have finished the number system. Priyanshu, I believe you are not there in that, right?
Yes, sir.
So now we'll start polynomials one. Okay. Polynomials I will start. And children, if you're having doubt, you can ask also. Satvik, why you're not on your camera, Satvik?
I'm on here 2 minutes.
If you're joining the meeting, on the camera and join. Okay.
Okay, 2 minutes.
See, polynomials also we have done before, I think. Few questions we have done with polynomials. Do you remember? We have done polynomials or not?
Yes, sir.
Sir, like, sir, before, sir, 5 to 6 days, sir. Before number system, sir, we have done.
Coordinate and linear equation to variables. Then which chapter? Which after this? What is there? Let me check. After this, which chapter is there? Let me check once. Introduction to trigonometry, linear equation to variables. Okay, this also we have done. Few questions we have done from this also. Next question is from chapter number lines and angles. We have done all questions from lines and angles.
Yes, sir.
Lines, all questions we have done or few questions we have done?
Sir. All questions, sir. Lines and angles, triangles, sir.
All questions we have done.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh, super. There's so many. IMO also we have finished completely. Then next one is Triangles, circles, we have not done, right?
Sir, triangles we have done, sir. Circle we have not start on this. Circle, sir, is not coming only, sir.
Okay. Next question is question number surface and volumes. We have done, but it's not there for you this first term, right? Huh? Surface and volumes can we do? Because you know the concept of this.
No, sir, I have not
Huh?
read that one, sir.
Then what do you do? Surface and volumes, then which chapter you want to do then? Every chapter is finished. Probability, statistics and probability, that also finished, right? Statistics and probability, that also finished, right?
Yes, sir.
So statistics and probability, we have done not all the questions, few questions till 28th we have done. You can see on the screen, see? Till 28th we have finished for this also, right? Hmm.
हल्ला मत करो, मेरा म्यूट नहीं हो रहा.
Okay, now next one is your हल्ला मत करो, म्यूट नहीं हो रहा है. हाँ प्रियांशु.
Sir, like, sir, my screen is not working, sir.
Okay, children, see here. This question you can do, all of you. Question number 29th of probability. One card is drawn from well shuffled 52 cards. The probability of drawing an ace is what? Tell me, children.
What, sir?
See the question on the screen. See the question on the screen, Priyanshu.
Yes, sir. Sir, 1/13.
Simply 1 by 13. How?
Sir, I don't know, sir. I'm just thinking. 1/13.
Don't think. I want answer. Then only you should tell. Simply don't guess over here.
Okay, sir. Like, sir, out of 13 cards, sir, one card is ace, sir, so 1/13.
Out of 13 card. Where is out of 13 card they have given here? The question they have given out of 13 card.
1 minute, sir.
Shriyanvi, what is the answer? Shriyanvi?
I think it's 1/13, sir.
You think or sure?
Sir,
I'm sure.
where we can get answers, sir, like 52 cards, sir.
Huh.
Sir, diamond, ace, and pulse, sir, 4/4. Then, sir, 4 ace will be there, na, sir, so 4, 1/13.
So your answer is, see, 52 cards will be there. Ace will be, how many ace will be there? 4 ace will be there. So if
Sir,
you
ace will
cancel,
be 4 there, sir. So, sir,
Huh.
1/13, sir.
yeah. I think all children will do well because we have done this chapter very confidently. We have done so nicely. We have done this chapter and so many practice also, like class 10th high level questions we have done based on this. I don't think anybody will do mistake in this type of questions. A die is thrown while probability getting greater than 3. This is Bachu sums in front of our sums, right? These IMO sums are Bachu. What we have done before, right?
Sir, 0, sir.
Two
Sir,
plus
1/2. 30th one.
at least one hit. 1 by 2 you're saying. Okay.
1/2, sir. Third,
Yes, sir,
30th
1
one,
by-
sir.
1 by
by-
2.
I have not understand, sir, this question.
Then 0 have you got to know. 1 by 2 is the answer, Shriyanvi.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So see, head, 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 tail, 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 head. These four things are there. So here they are asking the question, at least one head, minimum one head should be there, or maximum also minimum one head means one head
Sir,
or more
3 by
than
4,
that.
sir.
So answer is one head
3
is
by
this
4.
one and this one, and here this two head is here. So
And
how
then it's
many?
3 by 4.
3 by 4.
3/4.
So answer is 3/4.
So
Shriyanvi,
then
what you told?
30%, sir.
1/2. This is not exactly one head. This is at least two, at least one head. At least means minimum one
Sir,
head.
30 questions, sir.
Oh, so I thought I
Sir,
just
for 30th
do
question.
choose one head only.
What happened, Priyanshu?
Sir, for 30th question, the answer is
30
1 by 2.
questions, sir. Answer will be, sir, I think 0, sir. I think.
Acha, for the 30th answer you are saying.
30th is also one bit.
Acha, 30th is 1/2.
Sir, I have done like, sir, answer is 0, sir.
Which one? 30th or 31st?
30, sir.
30. 30 is 1/2 only, correct. So 31st is 3/4 only, no? 31st is
Sir,
3 by
30,
4.
sir, I get the answer, sir, 0, sir. Sir, more than 3 means, sir, 4, 5, 6.
huh,
So, okay, sir, 6 by 3, 1 by 2. Okay,
6/3, 1/2.
means, sir, 3 by 6, sir, 1 by 2 only.
For 31st answer, all of you got 3/4 only. 31st.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. 30, sir, I got wrong, sir.
Hmm. Say this. What is the answer for this? Tell me, all of you. Question number 31st, 32nd. (30nd).
Sir, it's D.
D option.
Yes, sir.
The probability of mod x is less than 2. What is the answer? All of you just message in the chat box.
Sir, mod is the same as absolute value, right?
Yeah, absolute values means whatever you put inside the x, that is become positive only.
Yes, sir. It's D only.
All people are saying A. Who is this A saying? Priyansu, you are become nonsense day by day. What is this? 50 times you put A. Just keep on typing or what?
Sir, what minute, sir?
Priyansu, every time you do, that's why I told you. Every time 4 to 5 times you put dhada, right? Correct,
Yes, sir, I
Priyanshu?
am sending, sir, one time, sir, but for
But
6
but
times, sir.
system is generating automatically, right?
Sir, 1 minute. Sorry, sir.
Nice, Priyansu. Very good. Satik, Shriyanvi, you have not messaged anything? What to answer in this, right? This is very small question.
Please, sir. I
Mhm.
think.
You think what? It's very small. That's why no need to answer, right? Okay. A option. I know you are thinking small questions, so no need to answer. This Pachu sums why should do, right? Nice. Next question is
Yes, sir, less than 2 means 0, 1, 0, -1, -2, -3, sir. So,
Hmm.
5 by.
okay. See question number 33rd.
Sir, I didn't understand how it was A.
You didn't understood how is it is A?
Yes, sir.
See, mod of x is less than 2. You see, a number is chosen at random from these numbers. See, from these numbers, random choose any number you choose. If you choose 3, so what happens? This will be 3 is less than 2, wrong. Then choose -2. -2 is what? Less than 2. With -2 become 2 only. 2 is less than 2, wrong. Okay. So here, yeah, this Shriyanvi, what you told, you also told 5 by 7 only. Huh? Shriyanvi, you have told 5 by 7 only.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
See, if you put minus 3 in this, so minus 3, if you put in mod, this become 3. So 3 is less than 2. This is wrong only, correct? Now I am putting minus 2 in mod. So minus 2 become 2. 2 is less than 2. This is also wrong. So this is wrong. This is also wrong. Next, minus 1, we are putting minus 1 in mod. Right, is less than 2. So this is correct. This is also correct. This is also correct. Now 2 is, this is wrong. This is wrong. The answer is 3 by 7. It's not 5 by 7. Answer is 3 by 7.
No, sir,
Shriyanvi,
I did not understand, sir.
you did not understand. One by one, you put the question, put the this one. Minus 3 you put once, then again you put minus 2, again you put minus 1, then 0, 1, 2, 3. In this value, value of x you put, okay, Priyanshu? And
Sir,
after
but
that,
last time when we discussed this answer, you said it is 5 by 7 only. The same
I
question.
didn't told, simply I told yes karke. I just moved ahead. I thought so many people are telling like this, so it might be correct. That's why I just moved ahead. Because I thought before we have done this question and I just simply moved ahead. Okay.
Yes, sir. Before we did, sir, that time you said 5 by 7. You explained also.
Good
Hmm.
evening, sir.
Good evening. Why you joined late today?
Sir, like I had some other class going on, so it was a school meeting. That's
Acha.
it. Sir, I have posted my doubts in WhatsApp, so could you solve them?
How many sums are there you have posted?
Sir, wait, sir, I'll tell you, sir.
From which chapter you have posted?
So they're like mixed, not like one specific chapter.
Acha, okay. Okay, children, we'll just go to the question number 33rd now. Okay.
Sir, is the
Sir,
answer for the 33rd question option C, 2 by
Sir,
3?
so are you solving those doubts right now or afterwards?
No, right now only we do. Let us finish this chapter first. Children, I'll come to this one question. If I told before this question as the first only answer is correct, right? Huh?
No,
Sai-
sir, you have told C only, sir.
Sai Ritvik?
No, sir, you have told C only.
Yes, sir. You have told A first and then C.
I told first or you people told? I told yes.
Yes, sir. Then I didn't understand, so then you corrected.
Sir, answer will be 5 only, no? 5 by 7.
How 5?
So it's modulus of x.
So modulo of x is you just find a number.
Yeah. Sir, 1 minute, sir, 1 minute, I'll tell you, sir. Yes, sir, it should be 3. Minus 1, 0, and 1.
Yes, option 3 is correct.
Yes, sir, that's C. C is correct, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because modulus of minus 3 is 3, which is greater than 2. So, yes. Sir.
Now see question number 3rd. Question
Sir,
number.
question number 33 is option C correct?
Okay, the probability of guessing the question
Sir, we're
correct
done
answer.
with sir, we're done with this probability questions, right?
All questions.
Yes, sir. I guess we are done with the probability.
Wait, let me check here. Before only is there already. See, we have done how many questions? You will see above only. I'm just going up. See 32, 31st.
Sir, almost
Till 33 we have done. Till 33 we have done.
34 is also done.
Here's also see children. I told 5 by 7 is not coming here. What? See 3 by 7 I told, right? If I told here if x square is less than this become, then before also I told 5 by 7 this is wrong only. Sai Ritvik, who told? I think Nutaki told, no? See 3 by 7 only told before also. See
Sir, Sai Charan told, sir.
Sai Charan.
So I said, sir.
See before also I told 3 by 7 only. See here I told if it is given like this.
I thought I remember something else. Sir.
Okay, 2 more questions we have done actually before. So 33, what is the answer for this? To do once again revision kind of thing.
Sir,
I-
option C, 2 by 3.
2 by 3 only, no? Yeah, it's correct.
Yes.
Let me check topper what
Yes,
we have
sir,
written.
x by 2 plus 2 by 3 is equal to 1.
Yeah, 2 by 3 only.
Sir, I
Obviously,
didn't understand, sir.
didn't understand. No, I taught this one before, then also I didn't understand. See, guessing the correct answer is 1 by 2. Guessing the correct answer is 1x by 2. So wrong answer, what you can write? Wrong answer is what? 1 minus x by 2. That is x by 2 only. So
Yes.
they're asking that the probability of not guessing the correct answer. Not guessing the correct answer means what? Wrong answer is 2 by 3. Means x by 2 is equals to what? 2 by
3.
then x is equal to how it is coming? Hey, what we have done wrong? X by
Sir, when
2.
we do cross multiplication, it will come.
Sir, what we have to do is x by 2 plus 2 by 3 is equal to 1. So x by 2 is equal to 2 by 1 minus 2 by 3, which is 1 by 3. So x by x is equal to 2 by
Wait,
3.
wait. Here guessing the correct answer to the question is x by 2. And acha, here is coming 2 minus x by 2. No, this is 2 minus
Yes,
x
sir.
by 2.
Yes, sir. 2 minus x by 2.
Okay, okay. This is 2 minus x by 2. This should be equal to.
Sir,
Now we do cross multiplication. Yeah, tell what you're saying.
nothing, sir. Nothing.
So 3x is equal to 2. The x is equal to 2 by 3.
2 by 3, yes, sir.
Because 1 minus x by 2, I wrote x by 2 only because I thought here x is there. That's why. So next question is question number 34th. 34th is easy. 35th is starting now. 35th to 38. We do all these questions at a time. We'll finish this whole thing at a time only. All 4 questions are there. Mohit, why you are absent from so many days? 2-3 days I are absent, I think.
Sir, when, sir?
Last class we are not there, right?
Oh, Friday, sir, I was absent, sir, because I couldn't attend the class.
What about Monday? Monday, why you absent? Monday again?
Monday, sir, there was no class, though, sir.
Why no class? See, if every day class will be there. Monday, Wednesday,
Oh,
Friday. You are having all the time classes.
oh, okay, sir.
Anyway, if you are missed out, you can just see the recordings on this Google Classroom. Okay, Google Classroom is mentioned. YouTube part dated also is mentioned. You can go through it if you are having. Okay,
Okay, sir, yeah.
but 90% of the things it's already class will be there all the time, except except someone will mention that holiday. Okay.
Oh, all right, sir, yeah.
Tomorrow and Friday is holiday, right?
Yeah, tomorrow and Friday is holiday. Yes. So see this question 35 to 38. Card marked with numbers 2 to 101. Put in a box and what? I have not copied completely, I think.
And shuffled. Shall I get shuffled?
And mixed. Okay. Mixed and on the and mixed. That the number on the card. So all of you just mention here 36A, this one 36A again, like that you can just mention if you're having clear with this question, okay? All of you solve. Hmm.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 100. 8 by 100. Sir, is the answer 2 by 25?
Message in the chat box. Message in the chat box.
Oh, sorry, sir. Okay.
35th. This two first you
Sir,
solve.
you have not posed the question, no, sir.
What, Priyanshu?
Sir, you have not posed the question, no, sir. 35 to 38, sir. There is something, no, sir.
I posted no.
Yes, sir. Now,
can't.
sir, we can.
You can't see the screen.
Sir, now we can see, sir. On that time, we can't.
We can see or you can see.
Okay, sir.
Vivek, you have not on the camera. Vivek, Nihar, Satvik, 1 minute will not over. See, Satvik, I'll remove this is the last warning I've given to you. After saying also you tell 1 minute, then you'll just be silent only all the time. One child has message that is acha 35A. Mohit is telling 2 by 25. Anybody else who got same answer? A prime less than 20 is less than 20. Which is the prime numbers will come? 2, 3,
Sir, I think sir option is incorrect.
5,
Yes, sir. Even I'm
Sir,
getting
I think sir
options.
option is incorrect, sir.
11, 13.
Sir, I
Children, you
think
should
option is
children,
incorrect.
you should not tell correct, incorrect. What do you think that you should put in the chat box? Okay. If you're getting correct different answer, then just put in the chat box. Don't say this is correct, this is incorrect and all. Okay. Put in the chat box if you're having really a doubt and all. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Any other thing is coming over here till 20. A prime less than 20. Any other thing will come which is prime number? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17.
Sir, and from 2 to 20, there are 20, there are 19 numbers, right?
19 numbers, but there is a prime less than 20. It means what? 1, 2, 3,
Yes, sir,
4,
sir,
5,
18 then.
6,
Yeah,
7,
sir.
8. Huh?
19 numbers are
8 by what?
Sir, I have post in the chat, sir.
8 by 25. How 8 by
How did
25 you're saying?
Sir, how did 25 come?
Sir, sorry, sir, 19, na, sir. 25, no. Sir, 8 sir prime number, sir, but 25 will be not there.
So 8 by what you should write? 8 by what?
Sir, 8 by 19.
100. Total,
Eight.
how many numbers
Yes,
are
sir, even
there? One,
yes.
Okay,
this
sir.
2 to 101. 100
Yes, sir.
numbers are there in this, right? So if you
Yes.
four table 2 by 25 will come. So answer is A. That what Mohit told before, that one. Okay, Vivek also told the correct answer. It's clear to everyone. Now second, less than 14.
Sir, what less than 14, sir?
What lesson?
Is given here now. See the question. Find the probability that the number on the card is less than 14. This is the main question. 35 to 38, same direction you should read.
Sir, I have already sent you the answer.
Yeah, I know. I can see what you have sent. So less than 14 is how many numbers? 12. 12 by 100. So what is the answer for this? 4 3s are 12, 3 by 25.
So
Correct?
3 by
By
25.
25.
Perfect square. Perfect square. Which one is the
So nine-
perfect square? Say
9 by 100.
what by 100?
9 by 100.
9 by 100.
Yes. So ideally it should be 10.
4. Then
4,
9,
9, 4, 9,
25,
35,
36,
36,
49, 64.
49, 64, 81 and 100. Yes, sir. Even okay, 9 only.
9 or 8?
Sir, 9.
Sir, 9 by 100. Sir.
Till now 8 only I have written.
Huh?
8 only now. See?
So you forgot 16, sir.
Yeah. 16 I forgot. So answer is 9 by 100. Next question number 37th. Even number, even prime number less than 16, even prime number.
1 by
So
100.
1 by 100.
1 by 100.
1 by 100.
So prime number, if you see, which is
Yes,
the
sir,
prime
1 by
number, which is even?
Sir, 2 is the only even prime number.
Sir, 2.
Huh. Huh?
So what about 10?
10 is
a
10 is
10
not a
is
prime
not
number
prime
now.
number.
complete number.
Yes, sir.
So 2 is the only prime even prime number, right?
Yes, sir.
In the whole world,
Yes, sir.
because all even numbers are what, having some factors, right? Only 2 is the even prime number. So answer is 2 by
Sir, minus 2 is also even prime, right?
even number. Minus 2 is even number. Minus 5 is even number.
So minus 2 is even, right?
Minus 2 is even, but prime number.
Yes, sir, minus 2 is prime, right?
Minus 2 is prime number.
Yes, sir, because it does not have a.
And minus 5 is also prime number.
Yes, sir.
Prime number is always positive or it may be negative also. What is that? What is the
That-
concept? Prime number, what you are saying? Negative number you are saying with prime for prime number.
No, sir, why can't it be?
Hmm? But here see, it can be prime number, Nishar, what you are saying, that is correct only. But here numbers what which they have given before, those numbers you should choose.
Sir,
over
sir,
here.
I'm talking in general.
General is correct.
Okay,
General
sir.
minus 2 is because a number which is multiple by 1 or itself, right? Then obviously
Yes, sir.
it's correct only. Correct, no? But again you become wrong, Nihar. Prime number definition, you know, Nihar.
Sir, that
Sir,
was
only positive number will be there, sir.
See, prime number is a number which is always greater than 1.
0.
Okay. Greater than 1. Acha, greater than 0.
sir, 1 only, sir, because 1 is neither prime. nor-
Yeah, correct.
Greater than 1, sir.
Yes, yes, yes. So remember, Nihar, minus.
Sir, but ideally, it can be a prime number, sir. Like if you see the definition.
See, if you see the definition of prime number, you are saying that the one this will be there. What you can say, which people will not teach in the class. Like means one thing should be added up, number greater than 1.
No, sir, my question is why is only greater than 1? Because minus 2 is also. why
This is
1 also
this is
positive?
applicable only for positive numbers.
No, sir, I'm asking why is it applicable only for positive?
Acha, why it is applicable for positive?
Yes, sir.
Then it should be what I should tell. Let me think for a minute. Why it is what can be there? Anyone can think why what actually the prime number means, what we can say.
What, sir?
This
Sir,
why-
we can
why-
say a prime. Sorry, sir.
Why minus 2 is not prime number?
Is not a prime number. Hmm.
Sir, can you repeat, sir?
Is it mentioned here in blue color on the screen? See,
Oh, okay, sir.
Sir, minus 2 can be a prime number, sir, but they said the cards are only from 2 to 101. So there's only 2, sir.
Hmm?
Sir, in the question they said, right, it's only from 2 to 101.
Yeah,
So,
question is clear. This is general question he's asking.
yeah.
That why minus, first he told minus 2 is a prime number. I told that minus 2 is not a prime number because negative number is not coming under this. Okay.
Hmm.
So why this is not a prime number, he's asking.
Sir, can it be that minus 2 has more than more than 2 factors?
Sir, how?
But this is having only factor as what? 1 or itself only, right? No, nothing else.
Sir, how about
Sir, it will have 2
2,
also. No, sir, 2 also.
2 and -1, sir?
2 and -1
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir, 2
means
minus 1.
1, 2 and -1 you're saying.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
It
sir.
will have that.
Yes,
And
sir.
-2 also.
And -2 also, sir.
Then why 2 is not a prime number? But if why 2 is a prime number then?
Oh yeah, minus
This
2.
also you can say 1 also, -1 also, 2 also, -2 also.
Sir, then like there'll be no prime number only. I
Ah,
don't think
that-
prime numbers are applicable for negative integers.
Children, I don't know this part actually. You just also search me. I don't know, really, I don't know this part. I know only this much that -2 is what?
Sir, the
Yes,
remainder
sir, there
should
is
be
something rule, sir. We can't change it.
No, sir. Sir, why can't we change? That's my question.
Hmm. Correct. Anyway, first one, this is a question mark, which is just going to, in my head, this I don't know. If I know, I'll just give the answer. I'll just come to the back to the next class. Okay. Because
Yes.
we can't say these numbers. See, I told you for giving any answer, you may tell -1, -2. Yes, 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 yes. I can tell like that. But this way, it's not possible. No. Simply, we should not go behind that. Ki, haan, this is correct, right?
Yes, sir.
This is not the prime number. That's it. Nice question. Why actually? Why? This is not the prime number. We are reading the theoretical part, but why? Question mark. I think this is not a question also. That nobody told also anywhere. I never heard in my life till now. Okay, why this not? But they told that there's a this prime number be only be positive numbers. That's it. But why only positive, not negative? Correct. Okay, fine. Okay, children, if anyone knows that why this -2 is not a prime number, please let me know. Okay. And I also search from my end what can be done. Why -2 is not a prime number?
Okay, sir.
I think there is no given thought as such before. Okay.
Yeah, sir. It's not even available in Google.
Google also is not there. You
No, sir.
searched?
I tried searching now. Yeah.
A revolutionary question, sir.
What, Nihar?
It's a revolutionary question.
Google, what they are saying, Mohit?
Sir, I tried to search for it, but then it's not even showing.
It didn't search only.
No, sir. I searched,
Hmm.
but then it's not showing, sir. It's showing like why is 1 a prime number or why is 2 a prime number. It's
Acha,
not
acha.
showing -2.
Hmm.
It's a revolutionary question, sir. I can post it.
It's not even available in Google, sir.
Okay, okay. Anyway, just next class we just do this. Now I just few I'll search based on this what you have sent on Wise app. Let me check those. Wise app. You have sent the doubt right now only, or Nihar, or before?
Sir, 2 days ago.
2 days ago, no.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir,
I'm
that.
having those doubts now in discussions. Small 6, 7 pages are there. 6, 7, 8 pages, right, Nihar?
Yes, sir. Each page is one question.
Okay. So we'll discuss all those doubts now. So doubts will be where? Under doubt session. Questions. Here only you put all the doubt session will come under this. Okay, this is yours only, no? This is what I have searched. This is yours only.
No, sir. Sir, this is not mine, sir.
Okay. No, long back, I think that someone. This is the question.
Yes, sir. This is the question.
If the denominator is rationalized in the numerator, then what will come? Where you found this question, Nihar?
Sir, just on the net, sir.
Just from the net. Okay,
So
4
we
divided
can
by.
rationalize only denominator.
Yeah, we can rationalize only denominator. Then multiply by h plus root over h square minus 4. H plus h square minus 4. You have done it this way only, Nihar?
Sir, but then I wasn't getting the answer that way. Like the options are not matching.
Okay. So you're 4 into h plus h square minus 4. This is in root. And
H
here
minus
a
4
square
plus
minus b
minus-
square. It means minus h square. So this will get cancelled. So down you will get 4 only. You're getting direct answer, no Nihar. Here is direct answer. See,
Sir, 1 minute.
it's very easy. They have given. See, h square minus h square plus 4. So this will get cancelled and this 4 will cancel with this. So this is the answer. H
The
plus.
options is not there. Oh
So
yeah,
options-
it's there. Okay,
Yeah, it is there in option D.
okay, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Got it.
It's easy, very easy question actually.
Sir, I
Not,
didn't solve it further. That's why.
huh? What?
So like I thought it were options won't be there. That's why I didn't solve it further.
Acha, okay, fine. If you go further, then only you understand. The questions are like this only in IITs, in everywhere. See, it looks like complicated.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
See, I thought I can't do this question. But to start solving, let us do what is there in that.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, so you have squared h over there, right?
Simply rationalize I have done. Simply rationalization, not a square,
Yeah,
nothing.
sorry, that will get squared automatically. Yes, sir. Okay. So like this question looks complicated, but it's easy only.
In a triangle ABC, in triangle ABC is a point on BC. Huh? Which is point on BC?
So
Acha.
that they won't mention, so like.
Sir, I think the diagram should be there, sir, so that we can understand.
What happened? ABC is there. Is a point. Which is a point? A triangle
Sir,
ABC
I'm
is a
guessing
point.
it's D because they said 3BD and there's no D.
Yes, sir.
mentioned.
So the point is D because they have mentioned D. So after.
Yes, sir. I
Acha.
think it's a point on.
Acha, D, this one, right?
Yes, sir. I think it's on AB.
Yeah, BD, 3BD is equals to BC. 3BD is equals to BC. Here only children will get confused. Which is bigger, which is smaller?
So BD
See.
is smaller.
BD is
Smaller.
smaller. It means that your BD is 1 ratio and DC and BD is 1 ratio
So
and
DC is 2 BD.
this is 2. Yes. DC become 2 because total is 3 and this is 1. It means that this is 2. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Now see, if each side of a triangle is 12 centimeter, 12, 12, 12, then AD equals to what? AD equals to what? You should find here. What is AD equals to? How to
Is
find
it like first we have to find the area, then we have to equate it?
area? But acha, first, areas means nothing but see, here we can do like this. How to find area of this? 12, 12, 12, that area.
So root 3 by 4 a square.
Root 3 by 4 a square, correct. So root 3 by 2a directly, so you can write now root 3 by 2a because we want what? What you should find? AD, no? This is the height in equal triangle, correct?
Oh, sir, I didn't know this.
Acha, this is not the point because it's not the midpoint. No, we don't know, right?
Okay.
So what is the use of finding that? Root 3 area, if you find what you'll get from there.
Sir, I got it. So then we can equate it. I'll just solve it. Sir.
If root 3 by 4a square, if you do, what do you get? Nothing
No,
you
sir,
get.
I'm not getting the answer, sir.
You can't get only, no? How will get? 12 into 12.
No, sir, I thought first we can find the area. Then the AD is the height. Okay,
It is
fine.
not the height.
That we
AD
can't say.
How did we
80.
get 12?
Where?
Sir,
Side,
you have
side.
written 12.
Side into side, side. This is the area we found right now.
Okay, sir.
But this is AD we should require. AD equals to what?
Sir, I have a doubt.
Hmm.
So can we take BC as 6 BD?
BCS 6 DD.
BD.
6 BD. BCS 6 BD.
Sir, how? Sir, it's given in the question, right? 3 BD is equal to BC.
C string 6, how you can write? 6 and 3. How you can do?
No, sir, that's wrong. I thought it was we could double it because it's 3 BD. plus
AD
3
equals to what? Question
No,
mark.
sir, if we would double it, then 6 BD is equal to 2 BC.
This is one ratio only, no? BD is just half of it. This BD is there, no? This one.
So BD is 1.
This is 2.
Sir, so BD is 4 and BC is 8.
Yeah. It means that BD is, this is total 12, right? So 3 part is 12. It means that this divide by 3, if you do that, one part will come. So this is 4 and this is 8, correct?
Sir, but we don't know whether it's height or what, sir. That is the problem.
Height is not for sure, it's
Sir,
not
how
the
did we
height.
get 4 and 8?
See, total is 12, no? Sai Ritvik.
Yes, sir.
So there are 3 parts in this they have given, right? 1 and 2, 3 parts. The one part will be what? 12 divided by 3 if you do, you'll get 4 as one part. The one part is 4 and 2 part is 8.
Okay, sir.
It's not 100% is not the height, Nihar, because if height will be there, now this will divides into 2 equal halves, but they have given 1 and 2. So it's not the height for
Yes,
sure.
sir, that I got, sir. So then how
Then-
do we find it?
AD is not perpendicular to BC. D is the point on BC. Okay, without wasting time, we'll just move further. We'll just discuss later on. Let me see, because otherwise this will take long time, right? But what we can do, I don't want to skip any question. AD, anything. Yeah, we can do one thing. No. These both area are not equal. And Pythagoras theorem you can't take this is not altitude. Then AD equals to 4 root 5, 4 root 6, 4 root 7, 4 root 11. Nah, Baba, nah. Okay, we move to the next question. So next question is, centroid you have sent. Do you want centroid answer also, Nihar?
Yes, sir, all the questions which I've sent, sir.
Okay, 1 minute. One question is like, see, 2 vertices of a triangle are this and this. If the centroid is 0, -3, find the third vertex of the triangle. So first you make the triangle over here. Actually, 10th syllabus also this is not there. Centroid part removed. So this is your triangle. So one vertex is -1, 4, 5, 2, and centroid. What is centroid, Nihar?
So point where three medians intersect.
So this is 1 point. This is 1 point.
Yes, sir. It's
This
like
is
that.
1, right?
Yes, sir.
So intersect, this medium intersect at 2:1 ratio, that you know.
No, sir, that I don't know, sir.
Yeah, this medium intersect the triangle into 2:1 ratio. So this part is 2, this is 1, this is 2. Means from the center you should take. From the center it's coming 2 and then it's 1. Like that is the ratio. So you have not read section formula and all, Nihar. Section formula I've read.
No, sir.
So this is of class 10th actually, this kind of questions.
Okay, sir.
So we'll just discuss the first I'll tell you the formula, then you take the separate class if you want.
Yes,
This
sir.
you should you have to teach this one, section formula, midpoint formula and all.
Sir, on Friday, if possible, could you schedule, sir? Because I have doubts, sir. And on this Sunday, I end the paper. So,
Sunday we are having a paper.
yes, sir, Sunday.
Then Saturday we plan, no, because this is 2 days holiday, no. So we are not, and generally we are not getting holidays.
Okay, sir. Saturday is also fine, sir. No problem.
Saturday we do that.
Yes, sir. No problem.
Yes, sir. I have also doubt.
Saturday I'll just put in the chat box only, because Saturday I'm
Yes.
having class 10th at 7:45. So I'll
Okay.
put around 7 o'clock. I'll put, then we'll just discuss and go further.
Yes, sir.
So could you scroll up to the triangle question before?
1 minute. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Which exam you are having, Nihar, on that day?
So the FITZ exam only, sir.
Acha, FITZ exam only. Fine, fine. So, on that day, we'll do all these questions. And moreover, what we do, you are not having other classes, no, by that time. Nihar, this sir is having classes, science you are having on that day.
No, sir.
Saturday, you are not having science.
No, sir. We don't have any class on Saturdays.
Why?
No class on Saturday only.
Acha, no class on Saturday only.
Yes, sir. No class.
Sunday is exams.
So Saturday one holiday and Sunday is exams.
So can we do Pythagoras here on that question, or is it not possible?
Pythagoras is only applicable for 90 right angle triangle.
Okay, sir.
Sir, we can't even use trigonometry because that's again right angle only.
Okay, children, all of you can leave for the day. Thank you.
Thank you,
We'll
sir.
see-
Bye,
Yes,
sir.
Bye.
Sir,
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye. Thank you.